Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to draft a proposal with the Claude. So if you're in the tech and IT industry, I'm going to show you guys how to do it exactly. So I have made a detailed prompt regarding it and I want you guys to have a look at it. So what you guys are getting is a role and expert persona. Like what's the role, what's the expertise and all that stuff, client and the deal context, and here you can add up the client company and all that stuff, then problem and statement, and then propose solution architect, or what we're going to do, how we're gonna deal with it, and team and the credentials and the investment and pricing, risk mitigations and guarantees and terms, next steps and CTA. So all good format instructions are like this. So you guys can simply copy it and then give the right instruction into the prompt and let the Claude work on it, and it will write in exact detailed proposal for that company or for that client. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.